Stone's official list of the 500 greatest albums of all time has become a reputable ranking that highlights the best in music.
The second it went live, it was just the topic of conversation on the internet, and it honestly had more traffic on our website than anything ever.
Angie Martosio, associate managing editor for the publication, takes us through the coveted list as we count down the top spots. Starting at number 4, Stevie Wonder's Songs in the Key of Life. As documented in the UK series Classic Albums, this 70s worldwide bestseller became the most critically acclaimed of Stevie's career.
Songs like Isn't She Lovely, I Wish, Sir Duke, these are beloved classics even now. And he was at the creative peak of his career.
Let's stay in the 70s for spot number 3, Joni Mitchell's Blue.
Sitting in a park in Paris, France, reading the news and it's all bad.
This classic was written and produced entirely by Mitchell, whose heartfelt songwriting is the subject of several documentaries, including PBS's Joni Mitchell, A Life Story, Woman of Heart and Mind.
These songs were very raw and very vulnerable. It was the first time we had ever seen anyone doing anything like this. It's amazing.
Stay in touch.
Moving on to our runner-up, Pet Sounds by the Beach Boys.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older, then we wouldn't have to wait so long?
The 1966 album by the rock band is celebrated for its ambitious production, featuring an average of a dozen different instruments per track.
Brian Wilson, he was mentally unraveling, so he really challenged himself, and it was really revolutionary. This hadn't been done before.
Finally, the number 1 spot belongs to What's Going On by Marvin Gaye.
Brother, brother, brother.
The 11th studio album by the singer is regarded as a classic of 70s soul and explored themes of drug abuse, poverty, the Vietnam War, and more.
I like to think of it as soul's first concept album. It really represents where the world was at. It's timeless.
What's going on, baby?
We're grooving to the greatest albums of all time on the playlist.